girls. This week for science, we are going to be experiencing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing work in Google Slides, rather Google Docs. When you first see your screen, I want you to look at View. You're going to go to View and hit Zoom. Yours is going to be on 32 and look small like this. I want you to go to View, Zoom, and go to 100. Now your screen will be nice and big so you can see your work. Before we begin, I want to start off by saying, make sure you answer all your work with capital letters, punctuation, and complete sentences. The first type of question we'll see is multiple choice. When answering multiple choice, you want to come up to the Shape tool, where the circle and square are, click it, go to Arrows, click on an arrow, and then draw an arrow. You could take this arrow and put it in front of each letter that you think is the correct answer. Next, we're going to come down here. Number 2 has 2 parts, circle and draw an arrow or a line. So what you're going to want to do is go up to Shapes again, go to Shapes, and then click on this circle that looks like a donut. You're going to want to make a donut on the image that has energy stored. That way you can see the image behind the circle. Then you're going to come to the line tool. This is a way for you to draw arrows. Whichever way you want to put the arrow will be the corresponding line. When moving to question number 3 and 4 on page 2, you're going to come across text boxes. In these types of questions, you're going to have to answer the question it's asking above. In order to do that, you want to take your cursor, put it on the text box, and click. You may start typing. Remember, make sure you use capital letters and punctuation. When moving down to page 3, you're going to have a similar type of question to 3 and 4, where you're going to have to answer in a text box. But before you do that, please make sure you read through the question and look at the information provided above. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to your teacher. Hope this helped.